pasta salad with ricotta cheese, cherry tomatoes, and olives. This pasta salad is a creamy and tasty first course, and it is perfect for the month of August. Just cook the pasta, use a blender to prepare the creamy sauce, et voila! Ingredients: pasta 320 grams, 200 grams cheese, cherry tomatoes 450 grains, pitted black olives 50 grains, basil 15 grains, ricotta 200 grains, extra virgin olive oil 30 grains, salt, black pepper. Equipment: 1 large pot, pasta drainer, 1 chopping board, 1 bowl, 1 knife, blender. Preparation: cook the pasta in boiling salted water. Drain 1 minute before the cooking time indicated on the box. To stop the cooking, open the tap with very cold water and pour over the pasta inside the colander. Drain well and place in a large bowl, season with olive oil. While the pasta is cooking, you can prepare the ricotta sauce. Wash the cherry tomatoes and pour about half of them into a blender. Add the ricotta cheese and basil. Add only a small amount of salt. Mix until you get a cream. Pour your seasoning into a bowl. Cut the cheese, the remaining tomatoes, and the olives into small cubes. Once your pasta is cooked, pour it into the bowl with the ricotta cream, the cheese, the olives and the cherry tomatoes. Then mix everything together. The pasta salad pasta is now ready. You can serve it immediately or put it in the fridge to enjoy it cold or at room temperature. Tips: add some sun-dried tomatoes to your cream to get a more intense taste. Buon Appetito!